What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we're having an exciting day because we're doing our burn off and seasoning of the brand new Camp Chef WoodWind Pro 36. If you watched my unboxing and assembly videos, you know that we just did this, and so it's still brand new and shiny. It will never look like this again, so make sure that you take a close look. All this shininess is not gonna last, y'all know that. Okay, so for the first time that we're using this thing, we gotta do our burn in, and what that requires is that we fill the hopper with pellets and set the smoker onto feed mode. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna feed the pellets through the auger and into the burn pot, and this takes a little time, so we're gonna go ahead and get our pellets in there, and we're gonna select feed and let it run for about 20 minutes, I think. Today we're using the Camp Chef Premium Hardwood Pellets. This is their char hickory. This hopper holds about 22 pounds. This is a 20-pound bag, so I expect it to hold all of them. Once you've got that in there, just close your lid, and we're going to come into the control panel and select feed. So just dial it down, click it, select confirm, and so this is going to take about 7 minutes, and it's just going to get our auger filled up with pellets. So this is just feeding pellets. It is not going to fire up the igniter or anything like that, so there's no need to open up your lid during this part of the process. Once feed is over, after about 7 minutes, I think I said 20 earlier, but it's actually only 7 minutes, all you've really got to do is go down and pull on your ash dump. You can hear that dump into the ash pot. Close that, and we're ready to adjust the temp to 350 degrees. We're gonna open up the lid for this part. You're gonna come over here to your control panel, and you're gonna hit select temp. You're gonna dial that up to 350 degrees. Click it, and click again for startup, and that's gonna run for about 6 minutes until the pot is ignited. And then once it's fully ignited at the 6-minute mark, we're gonna close the lid and let it run at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. We're finishing our startup. We're down to like the last 15 seconds. We've got some nice smoke rolling. We're gonna see it transition from startup, and then we'll be able to close the lid and let it come up to 350 degrees. Once it's at the 350 degrees, we will be leaving that running for 30 minutes. Yeah, baby. Okay, so we are officially at 350 degrees. It took about 20 minutes, so that's not really bad from cold to 350. I like that a lot. Now all we have to do is leave it closed for 30 minutes. I scoured through the Camp Chef instruction manual about seasoning, and really all they say is 350, 30 minutes, and that's it. I guess because the entire inside surface of this smoker is stainless steel or galvanized steel on the lid there, and so you really don't have to worry about anything rusting ever. So no point in spraying it down with cooking oil or anything like that. So 350 degrees, 30 minutes. We'll see y'all in just a little bit when we talk about what we've done. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes, and according to Camp Chef, all we need to do is set it into shutdown mode, and that's it. It's been burning off. There has been some chemical-like smells in there, so I'm glad that all that stuff's getting burned out of there. But all we've got to do now is come over to the control panel, go into shutdown, confirm, and it's going to go into a 20-minute-ish shutdown period. And it's gonna make sure that there's still no live fire in our burn pot. This has been a fun process. I'm super excited about this Camp Chef WoodWind Pro. We're about to put a 20-pound prime brisket in the chamber now that we've got it burn off. So y'all make sure to check that video out when it drops. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to come over to American Smoke Carnivores on Facebook. It's a good group. We'll see y'all in there. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.